Shoot me, don't worry. Couple ID, ma'am. Couple ID book. ID. You can go to police station where you want.
Why is that again?
No, that's an ID, ma'am.
Can I leave passport? Oh, I said it. Oban is a sebet.
Right again.
Oban is a sebet. Oban is a sebet. Proof. Hakopa proof. Your why is a sebet passport. Proof why is a passport is a sebet. Passport hakopa proof. Proof ya passport why is a sebet. Agalwane ga botsa go now proof why passport is a why is a sebetse passport a re sebetse ka agalwane ga botsa go now why is a sebetse passport why is a sebetse why is a sebetse why is a sebetse agalwane go tshware di passport e hlile go tswa Lesotho why is a sebetse why is a sebetse why is a sebetse
you can shoot and do whatever
yeah
when you shoot to pet
yeah
shoot a sonke
yeah Kamolao wa galwane vela re na le work permit re na le rights tsa go re ka mo a galwane ka ona ka mo South Africa re na le work permit re na le hona ka mo South Africa ai molao e bile mmuso wa Lesotho go wa dipatala ditlhare tse gore re di thole ka mo South Africa why a galwane re tlile clinic re na le di passport